So the cross product of two vectors u and v, and it's denoted by u cross v, is another vector which belongs to R3. So u cross v belongs to R3, which is normal or perpendicular to both u and v. So u cross v is normal to both u and v. And since u cross v is normal to u and v, u cross v is also normal to the plane containing u and v vectors. So before I show you how to calculate the cross products of u and v, I want to introduce you to a new concept called determinant. So let me write it down. Determinant. And we will study about determinants later on in this course in much more detail, but right now it will be good to know what is a 2 by 2 determinant. So let's say we have four numbers a, b, c, d, and they are just scalars, and a 2 by 2 determinant denoted by a, b, c, d like this is equal to the number a into d. So a into d minus b into c minus b into c. So I think an example is required here. So let's say the determinant 1, 4, 2, minus 3 will be equal to 1 into minus 3 and then minus 4 into 2, and this will be minus 11. So again, let's take one more example. The determinant of, let's say, 4, 2, 8, 1 will be equal to 4 into 1 minus 8 into 2, and this will be equal to minus 12. Alright, so now we can actually formally define what is a cross product. So let's say u and v are two vectors such that u and v belong to R3. Alright, such that u is equal to u1, u2, u3, and v is equal to v1, v2, and v3. Then the cross product u cross v is equal to u2, u3, v2, v3 times the basis vector I minus u1, u3, v1, v3 times the basis vector j plus u1, u2, v1, v2 times the basis vector k. So now we can expand these determinants, and u cross v will become u2, v3 minus v2, u3 times I minus u1, v3 minus v1, u3 times j plus u1, v2 minus v1, u2 times k. And this can be further simplified like so. So we can express u cross v as a vector, as an vector in R3 like this: u2, v3 minus v2, u3 and minus u1, v3 minus v1, u3 and u1, v2 minus V1 U2. So if this formula is already making your head spin, tell me about it. Well, fortunately, there is an easier way to calculate cross product, which we will cover in the next lecture.